Wait, hold everything. This is your chance to grab something incredible, so make sure you're paying attention. In just a few moments, you'll see the biggest and coolest treasure of 250,000 plus amazing products that are ready for you to use, change, and sell your way at any price you want. And the best part? You only pay once, no monthly or yearly charges. But hurry, this special offer won't last forever. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt it takes forever to come up with just one good idea to sell, while others are putting out new in-demand products all the time? It's super frustrating, isn't it? Creating your own product is hard work. You need to think up ideas, plan everything out, and put it all together perfectly. And even after all that, it might not sell well at all. So, how to do it? Here's a little secret. Having your own product is like having a money-making machine. You can turn it on anytime, sell as much as you want, and even earn from monthly memberships. What if there was a shortcut you could take? What if you could find a way to create products faster and easier so you could build a whole collection of items to sell? You'd have tons of products ready to go, making you money every single day without all the extra work. Introducing Massive PLR Hub. It's the best and coolest collection out there, with over 250,000 plus sizzling hot products. It's the collection of most complete bundles in the world. You can change them, put your own name on them, and sell them for any price you want. And the best part? You get to keep 100% of the money you make. This mind-blowing collection is truly one of a kind. With this amazing deal, you'll get a massive collection of PLR products that you can easily customize and sell for huge profits. Even if you're new to this, you can earn 10 times more by using these products as bonuses for your own affiliate promotions, without doing any hard work at all. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Log in and access your products. 2. Download your products. 3. Sell and earn money fast. It's almost like magic. Here's what's inside Massive PLR Hub. Ebook collections. Massive all-in-one graphics and video editing bundle. Videos library. High-quality graphics. Ready-to-use templates. Audio files. ChatGPT prompts collection. T-shirt design pack. PLR articles. Video editing kit. Lightroom presets collection. SVG mega pack. Vector icon set. Developer tool bundle. Shopify themes pack. Mobile apps. Logo design templates, social media design templates, mock-up collections, business card design templates, HTML website themes, full HTML websites, WordPress themes and plugins, resume or CV templates, creative fonts, fun coloring pages, Canva design templates, all-in-one creative pack, Ultimate Kids Resources Bundle, preschool and kindergarten learning pack, PowerPoint, PPT templates, HD stock photos collection, children's books, mascot character set, 3D design toolkit, sound effects bundle, and so much more. Everything comes with ready-made sales pages, designs, and content, so 99% of the work is already done for you. Grab it now and start your own business with the world's largest collection of products for a one-time low fee. And guess what? Each product already comes with its own ready-made sales letters, videos, and more. That means almost all the work is already done for you. The coolest part? You get all 250,000 plus amazing products for way less than what it would cost to make just one small banner. This deal has everything included for a one-time price. No monthly payments, no hidden fees, and no extra costs. And to make it even sweeter, we're adding tons of extra bonuses just for this launch. No one else offers such a massive bonus bundle like we do. But you have to act fast. These bonuses, coupons, and discounts are only available for a short time. Once you leave this page or refresh it, the price could double or even triple. Get lifetime access to Massive PLR Hub now for the best price ever. No worries, if you don't love it, you can get all your money back within 30 days. No questions asked. We're not making this incredible offer because we're crazy, but because we know you'll love it. This is the best, biggest, and most complete collection of PLR products out there. With sizzling hot items and a mind-blowing variety, there's nothing like it anywhere else. It's truly the ultimate bundle that will make you stand out and succeed. Don't let this amazing deal slip away. Click the button below and get your massive PLR Hub access at a low one-time price. Hurry up and grab it now.